Hello, my name's Mark Russell. I'm Technology Specialist at Westgate Elementary. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use typing.com. So typing.com is one of the applications that's available in Rapid Identity. So I will show you. When you go into Rapid Identity, you get your list of applications. Typing.com's all the way down the bottom here. If I click on that, now as you're logging in, you'll get this screen. You need to click Login with Rapid Identity. And once you've done that, it will show you your dashboard. I've logged in as my daughter, so you can see that she's done some of these first programs up the top here. These are all units, and within each one of these, there's a mini lesson that you have to do. Each unit focuses on a specific talent or a specific skill that they want to teach you. These first ones literally just focus on the specific letters on the keyboard and helping you understand and learn where they are. So her next one is going to be T, S, and L keys. When she hits start, then it's going to take her into the first lesson, and then she goes all the way along these until she gets to the end, and then that will be that whole unit finished off. You can see up here that the average accuracy she's getting is 97% on these, and you can also see how long it took her. So these are great to work through. One thing I would recommend is the whole point of learning where these buttons are is so that when you're typing, you can actually not look down at the keyboard and just be looking at the screen. And so you'll notice down here at the bottom, it's showing you where your fingers should be. Now, your two pointer fingers should be on the F and J buttons, which normally on most keyboards have little raised parts so that you know where they are. And then the other fingers will just go to the other buttons either side of those. So you can see here that it wants you to use this finger on your left hand to hit the T button. So I'm going to reach up and hit T. And if I can carry on going through these lessons, F. So I've got to come down here, F, 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 T, T, T. And you'll notice what it's trying to do is get your fingers used to learning where those letters are. And if you can try and go through these lessons while just looking at the screen and not down at your hands, it's really going to help you learn where those are. Now, if I come back out of here, there are also a couple of options you have at the top here, including tests. So this is where you can go in to do a typing test to see how quick you are. I recommend that you normally just do a 1-minute typing test. When you do that, you can click Start Test, and you get this lot up, and you have to start typing as quickly as you can. I'm not going to do a whole minute test. If you make a mistake, it goes red, but it does let you go ahead. You can't make 2 mistakes in a row, though, because otherwise people would just smash on the keyboard to try and get a fast score. One more thing I will show you. Along up here, you also have games. The games in typing.com are actually pretty good. I like them, and I've had a lot of students that actually enjoy playing them, especially all the way down here, Nitro Type. So when you go to Nitro Type, it will ask you for a login, but if you click login with Google, you can actually use your Google login to log into Nitro Type, which would be the number and then first name and last name at ksd.org. If you type that in, you'll be able to log into Nitro Type or just play as a guest, it's fine. But these games are pretty good as well. I especially like typing.com just because it's something that you can do for 5 or 10 minutes between activities, and it's really going to help the kids to learn where the buttons are on the keyboard so that when they're doing writing, they don't have to think so much about what they want to do, what they're trying to type. Thank you very much for watching.